Okay, in the previous video, I said I would give you an example. So here, so given this inequality here, solve x. So you're going to find values of x where this whole thing here will be less than or equal to this thing here. Okay, so again, it's just like us solving equal, where you have something like this. When you're given an equation, when you have equal, you're saying that this side currently balances with this side here. But with inequalities, you're given something. You're told that something is already heavier than another thing. So you've got to find, well, in this situation here, there will be a whole range of solutions. Whereas this one here, there are only certain solutions where this side will balance with this side. Okay. Well, anyway, let's go back to this. Okay, so here to solve this, again, oh yeah, avoiding multiplying and dividing negatives. Just avoid those two altogether. Okay, so let's just break this up first. So it will be 12 minus 6x, and then less than or equal to 8. Okay, and then here your eyes should zoom into the x. You're trying to make, in a way, x a subject. But here you add 6x to both sides. So this will be this 8. You add 6x on this side, and this side will be 12. Now get rid of the 8, so that x could be on its own. So inside your mind, take away 8 from both sides. This will be 4. This will be plus, or not plus 6. You just 6x here. Okay, and then divide both sides by 6. So this will be 4 over 6, and then this will be x. Even number. So you know you can simplify. Let's just divide top and bottom by 2. So this will be 2 over 3. Okay. So now look at this here. X being great. Sorry. So just remember this. X is greater or equal to 2 over 3. Okay. Hang on. X is greater or equal to 2 over 3. You see, this is our solution here. Okay, so what that looks like is this here. Your number line, this here is less than 1. So 1 would be around here. This here would be 2 over 3. I'm going to say around here. 2 over 3. Okay, now look at this. The x here is greater than or equal to 2 over 3. So basically, you see, if you choose any number in this region here, if you put it into the x here, any region on this side here, if you put it into the x, this whole thing here will be less than or equal to 8. Okay, so for example, let's choose 1. 1 is over on this side here. Let's put 1 into here. 1 into x. Okay, so 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, so 4 take away 2. So this whole bubble here, inside here, 4 take away 2 would be 2, and then times 3 would be 6. So you see, overall, this whole thing here is 6. Now this 6 here is less than or equal to 8. So this is your, so 1's a solution. You could try 10. If you put 10 into here, now look at this. Put 10 into here. So 2 times 10 is 20. So remember, we're going to take away 20 later. So 4 take away 20 will be minus 16. Okay, will be minus 16, and then we times it by this 3 here. So times 3. So this will be 18 carry the 1. So 4 minus 48. You see, this whole thing here is minus 48, and minus 48 is less than 8. Okay. Now suppose you select some region over here. Let's say I don't know. Let's say minus 5. Okay, so minus 5. Put minus 5 into this thing here. Now 2 times minus 5. That will 2 times negative 5. That would be 2 times negative 5. That would be negative 10. Okay, and then don't forget we've still got this minus here. So here we've got 4 minus. Well, let's take. So here you've got 4 minus negative 10. So let's take this 10 out. So it becomes a plus. Okay. So it becomes a plus. So it's really 4 plus 10. 4 plus 10 is 14. Okay, so now we got to times it by 3. So 14 times 3, what's that? Hang on. 14 times 3, that would be 12, carry the 1, so that would be 42. You see, overall, this bubble here is 42. Now 42 is not less than or equal to 8. So minus 5 is not a solution. Okay, so basically the answer is all the values are to the right of 2 2 over 3. Okay, so that gives you a sense of what's going on. Okay.